bird doing? He's just sitting here. In the middle of the road. Well, not in the middle of the road. Can't even see him. Hello? Earth to bird. Like, and his other colleagues are up there trying to call him. What is going on? I'm posting this. And I also think I stepped on something over here. Felt like it was moving. What are you doing? Sir, excuse me. Sir, my impression. Thistle. My impression probably sounds freaking horrible on camera. Hello there. He moved? He looked? Don't charge at me. Where is he on the camera? Don't charge at me, sir. I am just a friendly neighborhood person. His head's like stuck. I think I don't know, is he scared? This is turning into a freaking video. This is 1 minute. I'm gonna throw something from this angle. Oh, that landed fairly close, but it's not close enough to get to his attention. Okay, last one. Oh, that landed right in front of him. He's still out of freaking commission. Like, they're either waiting for me to get in his sight. He's like, locked on target. I think he's following me now. No, his head's still stuck in one area. Hello, Earth to bird. The flip. I'm honestly just bitter confusion right now. Hopefully it's not like you get in my eyesight, I'm gonna jump you. Like fly straight ahead and flip and bash into you. Ow, frick. I think I just stepped on a thistle. Ugh. So many flipping thistles. Wait, where'd he go? Oh, he's still there. I think he's unlocking his villain arc. like my family abandoned me. Now I must plot my secret plan. And then there's that one kid. Hello, sir. Would you like to buy a... What was that? Hello? Would you like to buy a popsicle? What was what I was going to say until I was interrupted by some weird noise. It sounded like a or something. That's probably the worst impression. So I was mowing one of the other days and I slipped. That's right. I slipped right here. And I was like, oh. So, like, this guy came over and helped. My uncle came because I called my aunt. I'm like, why does this always happen? And she sent over my uncle. And my mom was on a meeting. Yeah, I think they're trying to get his attention. Anyways, so my mom was on a meeting, so she wasn't gonna just come in and say, or come out and say, hey, I think that mower's stuck. Which I knew it was. But it was actually out of gas. I'm just gonna leave him there. I honestly, just at this point, there's no saying what he's doing. That as I walk away, he just goes, okay, he's gone now. He takes off. Okay, so I have no clue what that was. If you guys know what that was, is he still there? Leave it in the comments. Yeah, he's still there. tell me what that was in the comments if you know. And yeah, I'll see you guys later.